Happy birthday po. Good health, more blessings. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Yeah. Hindi ko alam. I love you. Bye.
Nakalimutan.
Ama, happy birthday po. Thank you for the invite. Thanks for the food. I love you. Bye.
Layo pa kayo ha. Okay.
Ma, happy birthday. Ito, ang layo nyo na nakatira dito pero saya naman kayo pumunta dito. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Cheat, happy birthday! I wish you more blessed, happy, and happy birthday. Okay, may you be happy always. Happy birthday!
Hi, Chick. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Mali. Erase.
Chit, happy birthday. Okay, very nice. Many people. This visitors, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Alright.
Happy birthday, Pasita. I'm so glad we met. God bless you.
Okay.
Hi, Chit! Maligayang kaarawan. Nawa ay marami pang maliligaya at malusog na kaarawan sa iyo. Mahal kita.
Happy birthday to us. Oh yeah. Yeah. He was born in January here. And we have more birthdays to come and partying. Thank you.
Chit, happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. Good health, prosperity, and always smile. Long life for you. Okay. Love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hoy, serious ka naman kay Ate Chit.
Oy! Happy birthday pala! January ngayon! Okay ngayon! Enjoy!
Oh, walang happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy New Year! Merry Christmas! Valentine's Day!
Happy birthday! Sana maging tatay ulit si Ramon. Thank you.
Hi, Chit. Birthday blessings to you. God bless you always. We'll see you next year on your birthday. Bye.
Hello, Chit. Happy birthday. It was really nice knowing you. And take care. And last but not the least, thank you for inviting us. Hope you invite us again. Good night.
Nakangiti, bubungi naman. Just say happy birthday. Oh. Sinabi mo na ba?
Hindi marunong gumiti.
Hindi, magsalita ka.
Hello.
Yan. Happy birthday.
Merry Christmas.
Hi, Chit. Wishing you a happy birthday. More beauty, more good health, no more wrinkles. Use moisturizer every night. Okay? Cheers to you and more birthdays to come. And see you for your next birthday next year. Bye. Mwah.
Hi. You know me. Oh, I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. And I hope na gawin natin to every year. I'm so happy. God bless you always. Happy birthday again. Thank you.
Hello, Tita Chi. I wish you a wonderful year and may you always be healthy and happy. Happy birthday!
Yan.